Today I'm focusing on, it's not a steering wheel. Yesterday I called it steering wheel, but it's not, right? It's like steering bar, I guess. So today the focus is big mistake. What did I do wrong? I leaned on the steering bar and it got locked and I lost my balance. So okay, I'm keeping it loose, so the wheel is actually finding its own balance. Yeah, this is too deep to ride. Okay, I did that on purpose. First of all, to turn off the ABS. Second of all, to set up a camera in here. So yeah, this is how it looks. Look how deep it is. Okay, the GoPro is all set. I'm recording with 2.7K 60 frames per second and with super wide angle, so we'll see if this works. Impossible to ride. This is how I park my bike now. It's just too heavy. I can also record that. Oh, it's pretty deep. I will just put it on the side and pull it out, so this should work. Okay, let's give it a go. Am I squeezing something? No. Just gently put it down. Okay. Alright. Shouldn't be that hard. This is not necessary. Oh man. Okay. So the bike is on the ground. Yep. A lot of sand. Let's pick that bad boy up and we should be able to go. I should be able. Okay, backwards then. not that easy. Oh man, that is heavy. Whew. Oppa. And I'm out. Awesome. No, it's not a good idea to ride in here. I will overheat the engine. Okay, so since this is another off-road training, what have I learned today? I think it's fair to say that I learned to overcome my reflexes in terms of when the bike is falling on the side and I feel that I'm losing control and I'm feeling that I'm gonna fall in a second. That let's stick to that second. That second, it becomes a really long time when this happens. And if I'm able to calculate faster than the second passes, that I can still save myself with a throttle and with a proper balance, it seems that in like 60 to 70% of cases I was able to balance back the bike without touching the ground. When I'm moving, like let's say when I'm moving like 20 kilometers per hour and I feel that bike is falling on the side and my brain wants to send the message to my leg, like put the leg on the ground, and I'm not doing that. I'm just, instead of this, I'm pushing the throttle and the bike is like getting back straight, and it allows me to move further, and most likely I will be bouncing on the other side, but I'm already in this like rescue mode, so the bounce to the other side I'm prepared for that. So that's my lesson today. But generally I think that the sand today was just too much. It was definitely too much to ride. I was just moving on it most of the times. Yeah, I'm training. It's awesome to train, because when I get comfortable riding on a sand like this, I am like super comfortable riding on a surface like this. When like 2 months ago I would be super focused, super tensed, riding like this. I would not be sitting, and all of that has changed because I've been just like fighting with my fears.